Hello everyone, my name is Kritik Patel. I am chemical engineering third year student from Dharamsi Desai University. Today my topic is adaptability and how to increase adaptability in our day-to-day life. Since our birth to end of our life is full of to change. So which people know how to embrace these changes, how to handle these changes, how to accept those changes. Those people always moving forward in their life. So what is the meaning of the adaptability? In simple language, adaptability means flexible in changes handling. We see many times in our day-to-day life, people are always trying to change the situation. But rather than change the situation, we need to modify ourselves according to the situation. Adaptability is nothing but modify yourself according to the situation. Now, let's try to understand what are those points by which we increase our adaptability in our day-to-day life. First point is we need to be a flexible in order to accept those changes, flexible in terms of environment, flexible in terms of people which with we work. So by doing this we increase our adaptability skill. Second point is we need to have a positive mindset. If we take those changes with a positive mindset, and if we reframe our mind and try to understand those situations and looking scope in those situations, so we easily tackle those situations. Third point is we need to be a focus with our goal. We keep encouraging yourself and stay focused with your goal. Third point is we need to be open to our failure. Success comes from experience, but experience comes from the bad experience. If you are ready for those bad experience, and are you someone who learn out from your bad experience, then your adaptability is increased day to day. Fifth point is ask for help. Whenever people need help from your side, be ready for help. And if you need help from other people, take help from the people, because doing this we easily increase our adaptability skill. So, and many points by which we benefits of being adaptable. You will embrace challenges better. Being adaptable means working without boundaries and being open to finding diverse and unexpected solutions to the problem and challenges in workplace. Without limitation on your thinking and action, challenges become something not to dread, but to seize and enjoy working through. As someone who is adaptable, you will also be willing to engage a variety of people with diverse skills to get the job done. Building broad network of highly engaged and capable people as you go. You will become a better leader. Great leaders know that changes is inevitable and they don't shy away from it. They also remain positive in face of the adversity, keeping their terms and employees focused and motivated through tough period. Great leader also open-minded and considered, knowing that solution and brilliant can be found in many places. They are never quick to discard solution that might be viable. All these important leadership qualities have adaptability at their core and really on the adaptability to adapt to and embrace the changes. You will be a relevant. People who are willing to change or shake up conventional way to doing things will remain relevant throughout their working life because they are comfortable experiment. So I hope you enjoy this video and like this video. Okay, thank you.